We are the San Francisco Public Utilities Commission. We work every day to make sure your water, power, and sewer systems are there when you need them. Parts of these systems are 100 years old. Portions of our sewer pipes were built during the gold rush. That is why we continuously replace and upgrade our water and sewer mains to prevent breaks and be ready for the next earthquake. Over the last 5 years alone, we've replaced 115 miles of water and sewer pipelines. Placed end to end, that pipe could stretch from San Francisco all the way to Monterey Bay. We completed almost 170 construction contracts to upgrade our infrastructure. We plan to accomplish even more in the next 5 years. The upgrades we make are funded by you, our ratepayers. Thank you for your support. To learn more about how we keep San Francisco flowing, please visit sfpuc.org/construction.